Hi guys, my name is Gayatri and welcome to GTUinsta official channel. Today I am sharing details about DDCET 2025 results and further counseling process. Diploma to degree results are finally out, and if you're wondering what to do next, this short video will help you step by step. First, today we will cover up topics like result of DDCET 2025, document required, counseling process, choosing college and branch, do's and don'ts after the results. Results of DDCET 2025. Results are finally out and you can see the results on government official website acpc.government.in. Second, document requirement. Diploma mark sheet, school leaving certificate, provisional certificate, Aadhaar card, caste certificate if applicable, EWS or income certificate if applicable, passport size photographs 4 to 5 and ACPC registration proof. Third, choosing college and branch. Make sure you watch all year cutoff and placement. Also, see the location and faculty facility of now. What you should avoid. First, don't wait till the last day to download your result. Second, don't rely on any kind of random WhatsApp groups or fake news. Third, don't upload any blurry document. Fourth, don't wait for deadline to fill form and details. Fifth, avoid filling incomplete form as it cause you lost your seat. Sixth, don't just follow your friends blindly. Plan your career wisely. Choose colleges and courses that comfortable to you and not for others. So this is all about the video. All the best for your degree journey. Make sure you follow the GTU Insta Instagram channel and subscribe, like and share the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.